Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to start a new series of videos about how to earn money from YouTube. I will go step by step from start to finish. My means, if you don't have any YouTube account yet and you don't have any video for YouTube yet, I will explain how you can create account, how you can upload video, and how you can earn money, what is the requirement after money, where the money go, and how you can get money in your account. I will make a couple of videos. I will upload one video about YouTube channel every Saturday by 5 p.m. I'm in California, and now you have to see where you are living and you can find what is your time will be. And every Saturday my video will be uploaded by 5 p.m. So this video will be launched on Saturday. So I will go step by step. So let's start now. Like say I'm on YouTube already and we don't have any account. So first thing, you have to sign up your account, you have to create your channel, and then you can start uploading videos. So like over here, I have an account, that's why it shows sign in, but I will go to sign in. I have a couple accounts over here, but I'm going to click on use another account. Over here, if you have already account on a YouTube, like you have you set up your email and password, you just click over here. If not, you will click on create account. Then you need to tell what you want to account, like you want to myself or manage my business. So basically, if you are like Beyond, then myself, and then you have to do your first name, any name you have, a Harry, last name, and then you have to provide your email address. And you need to create one of the password. Then you have to confirm. Okay, here we're gonna click next. This all information is, this one not exist, or they say this username is already taken. What we can do, create a Gmail account instead. You can put any name and see if this one exists. Okay, sorry, this one already taken. Okay, they don't wanna this thing, so we have to do a couple things to get. So we're gonna pick one of them. Okay, I pick this one. They say this is available, you can get you. Now they ask say password, you want to know. Then they ask your phone number. You have, if you locate in any other country, you will do. If you're in the United States, you have to do your phone number, then your recovery email, and your date of birth, gender. So if you click next, they're gonna send you verification code and you have to get it here. So I'm not going to do everything. So that's the way you gotta create account first. Once you're done, you will be get to log in. Like I have this channel is not monetized yet, so I will click on this one. I have a saved password already. Once you have your YouTube account already set up, then you will be already to log into your YouTube channel. So then you need to YouTube channel. This is, I have a logo already. I'm not going to any detail like how to put your logo and everything. That's actually like if you're running a Facebook, Instagram is like same your profile photo, and you need to give a YouTube channel name, like a unique name and anything. Once you're done, then you need to have a video. You can record videos, but before you upload video on YouTube, you have to read their policies. Like there's a lot of things you cannot do. You cannot post anybody else's video. So simply you have to create your own content and you can upload on it. Any music, you cannot post any music. You have to get music or anything from YouTube library or copyright free. So once your video is ready, you can edit any software. If we are using Mac, like MacBook, I'm using iMovie. So you can edit an iMovie and anything. There's a lot of other videos teaching you how to edit movie with iMovies. Once your video is ready, you're gonna click here. It says camera and say create a video or post. You click over here and then you click on upload video. I have a go live because I have a couple subscribers. That's depend on how many subscribers views you have it. You will get live. Once you click on upload video, you will get to this one. Actually, YouTube at the first point don't give you a lot of options. As time go by, you uploaded video, you earn some viewers, subscribers, the opening like the requirements, you finishing the requirements, they just opening more, they are enabling more stuff for you, like as we talk about live videos, longer videos, titles, thumbnails, stuff like that. So once you get here, you click over here, or you can go to your any library where your videos are located. You can drag and drop over here. Like I always keep my videos like that, YouTube stuff, all videos, edit and ready to go. So just drag and drop. Your video will be start uploading, and you need to give a kind of a title. Is like it's easy to search for people. You can have a description if you want. Tags is more important to get, because title is limited. You can give some of the words here for title, but tags you can put as many as text, and then you can click on publish. You want to publish right away, you click on publish. If you want to publish at a private schedule, you can even also schedule, like you can schedule when you want to be published. You can also have a custom thumbnail. You just click here, you have a thumbnail, you have a created thumbnail, choose it, you can have a thumbnails. Like any thumbnail you have ready, you can choose it. Like your photo again appears anytime your video uploaded at the first part. I'm not going to upload this video, so I'm gonna stop. Once your video finished, you say publish. It will go to your YouTube channel, and once you got your YouTube channel, all the videos, and you start getting subscribers, viewers. It depends on how popular your videos are. I don't know, my videos are like DIY. They are not like very popular videos. They're like everybody don't want to watch those ones, so that's why I don't have that many subscribers. I've only, and this channel I have only 448 subscribers and a couple thousand views, and I don't have enough watch time either. So once you start gaining your subscribers and viewers, and that's the next time you're gonna start earning money. So to earn money, you need to complete your requirements. That's what we're gonna talk about now. You have to go to YouTube Studio, or either you have a Creator Studio. Also, you can go here. You will see here on the right hand side on the menu bar, it will show you YouTube Studio, or it will show you Creator Studio. You will click on it. Once you click on YouTube Studio or Creator Studio, it will come to on this one. That's the dashboard as widgets. I have added already. It's like my video, how performing. I have everything on it. You can also edit those one. That's probably a different thing. It's not really important. And analytic. Analytic is the part where you see everything about your account, like how much money you making, how many subscribers you have, how many watch times you have, how many views you have, and how many days over here. Now we're going to talk about the requirements. So we can collect here last 365 days. So in the last 365 days, counting today to last 365 days, it shows me everything here on my channel. I have a total views like 13,000 views, 28,000 watch time minutes, 86 subscribers I gained already, and last 365 days and I earned zero money. So to earn money, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. If you see here, it says minute 27 or say 28,000 minutes. If you need 4,000 watch hours, you need to 4,000 times 60 minutes. So it will be 240,000 minutes. So over here, you need at least 240,000 minutes or more, and 1,000 subscribers on your channel to earn money from YouTube. Actually, YouTube don't pay you, it's just Google pay you, Google AdSense. They put some advertisement on your channel, and as many as click you get on your advertisements, you get paid. You can earn money also from the side one, like you can sponsor, somebody can sponsor your videos, you can name in some of the products or something like that. That's different story, but that's for sure you can make a money. So now let's talk one more time. You need a 1,000 subscriber and 240,000 watch minutes over here, or more or less. Anytime your watch minutes drop, watch hours drop from 4,000, they will stop, then you have to start it back again. Now say you got 1,000 or more subscribers and 4,000 watch hour minutes, then you will go here all the way bottom. Right now I have a YouTube studio. If you have a creator studio, then it will be different. It says monetized over here, everything will be, but now we're gonna go to other features. We're gonna go to monetization. You click here, it will take you to the next window. Over here it says clearly over here monetization. You can apply for monetization at any time to be reviewed. All channels need at least 4,000 watch hour in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and help protect the creator community. So once you finish that goal, they will ask you this one first: YouTube partner program term accepted. I have it done already because somehow I didn't thought about it. I have to make a video about it, but I done. If you want to monetize, what you have to do, you have to accept their policy. The policy will be about the YouTube channel and about the advertisement, like you're not gonna be misuse of advertisement or something. You don't want to be collect yourself for a lot of things. If you are at the first time here, you will see you have to accept it. There's no way you can bypass. So this video, I'm not going to make a too long video. So in this video, we just talk about how to make a YouTube channel, how to upload video, and what is the requirement of your monetized YouTube channel. The next video, part 2, I will make a how to earn money on YouTube and set up as a monetization. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next time. How to set up, sign up for Google AdSense, and how you can verify your account and everything. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.